I bought this wrecked Porsche Cayenne that I want to restore, and it's been covered in this wrap for who knows how long. But today, we're finally stripping it off, and the big question is, what's underneath? Is the paint perfect, or am I about to find some nasty surprises? Let's find out! No! What is this? The paint is falling off together with the wrap. Wow! Have you ever wondered how to remove a wrap from a car? I have. And I want to do it on this one. It's my Porsche Cayenne GTS, which is sort of silver grayish right now. Underneath it, it's white. It should be white at least. I can imagine it's pretty bad because there's probably a reason why it's been wrapped. Pretty bad wrapping too. So I'm going to remove it. Never done that before. And see how it looks underneath. It will be really exciting to see. Okay, let's start and see how this works. And if it's... Oh. This will take a lot of time. I realize now. Oh. Just a friendly reminder, I have never done this before. I have no clue how to remove a wrap actually. Maybe it should be heated before. I was going to say, as long as it doesn't break, it can work, but it's like very old it seems, and very dry. It's at least not the most exclusive white color I can say. Somewhat like, yeah, just white. Not a metallic, at least. If you start to look at this video and hope that you will give I would give some good tips on how to remove a wrap from a car, which I said, then you can probably search for another video. Because this is, I hope there's a better way. Okay, so this doesn't make sense to do. I googled and you should probably have a heat gun. I need to buy one and try that out. If I would continue like this, it would take me, I don't know, a week, a month maybe. It's insane. So, let's try it out with a heat gun instead. At least we get this one removed. It's not a lot, but it's something. Now I bought this one. Hopefully it works better. And I will try to do the hood, because it's very exciting to see how that looks underneath. So, let's go. It's not easy, and it takes a lot of time, but we're getting there, and I hope this is maybe a bit harder because it's so big. Let's see. I did it, finally. It was hard, time consuming. And I also got, like my skin on my fingers is loose and I burnt myself a few times. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see the skin on the camera, but it hurts, and let's see how that looks tonight. Let's continue and see where we end. Second panel finished. Looks so different in white. Really like it. This grey color isn't my favorite. But there are a lot of adhesive still there, so not sure how to remove it. Tell me in the comments if you have any ideas. I'm not sure what this is. So, some sort of plastic on the body. Yeah, let's see if we need to remove it. Well, I mean, we need to remove it somehow. Wow, this is insanely bad. I don't know what happened here. Some sort of crash damage, I guess. And then there's been a lot of rust here, and they tried to cover it with this wrap, I guess. Wow. I will need to change this door, and that will be a fun challenge. I've never done that before. As you can see, there's a lot of paint stuck to the glue here. Not a big deal on this door, but I hope it's not the same on the other ones. I don't need to remove the wrap on that door, at least. That's one good thing. And also managed to get rid of this one. It's some sort of sporty body part for the GTS version of this Cayenne. So I hope I can buy a new door and add these ones to it. Just need to remove the wrap on these two, and I guess it needs to be repainted. I don't think I need to remove those. I can actually just remove the wrap. I hope it sticks there. As you can see here, it's not super great. The paint is a bit, I don't know. This is some sort of, yeah, scratch mark. Tell me in the comments if you think I should keep this white one or wrap it in another color. I'm not sure if it's worth it actually. Probably a lot of things to fix. Oh, what happened here? No, what is this? The paint is falling off together with the wrap. Here they did some kind of repaint. I think it's some sort of crash damage here. And they had some filler in it and then new paint. But the paint is stuck to the wrap. So, yeah. A lot of surprises. Not again. Same thing here. The paint is stuck to the wrap. I'm starting to think that I can't have this in white. It will not be worth it. What's happening here? Paint is like plastic. Oh. I'm actually a bit sad now. I thought this car would be better underneath the wrap. It's more worse than I thought. I really like it in white, that's the thing. But I yeah, it will probably cost too much to repaint it in white, because I need to do all of the car, is my feeling. At least part of it, a big part of it. I can show you a bit here, and please comment what you think. This one, of course, needs a new door. A white door too, which can be hard to find. The front is the worst one. And as you can see, the wrap has taken some paint with it, so it's stuck to the wrap. And as you can see here, there's been some sort of crash damage all along here. And here you also can see a lot of scratches. Paint is like really bad here. Same here. So this whole front, I don't know what you call it. This front at least is bad, and seems like the paint continues to fall off. I will leave it there for now. I need to take some rest, and I will finish this in the next episode. And if you want to see how it goes, I will probably find a lot of more surprises. I hope not, but I probably will. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode.